morning everybody, how you doing? Lucifer, Gareth, Vishal, Dak, M21, Gabriel. Dude, why you always straight in the middle of the bands? Only short dude, but the short start at 25, not now. And the long at 20, 21, not now. So you do you. Dodge ship pump time as well. Yeah, Dodge is up like 16%. I kind of missed Dodge over here. I actually went to Dodge right down here. I went on Dodge along here, and it went out of the channel towards downside, so I exited position up here. I actually wanted to get down here, but you know it was a little bit late, and it went down here and then exploded towards outside. But the entry point was actually quite nice. I just, you know, it was a short-term trade, and then, you know, later you see what happened, of course. There was also another very nice entry down here as well. Shiba as well, just, you know, pumping towards the upside. You can see here it went back above the moving averages up here. So right now, you know, even Shiba right now might actually continue towards the upside. 4-hourly closing in 1 hour and 42 minutes. But 1 hourly up here is getting ready to, you know, bounce. Maybe, so, you know, we're gonna keep on watching Shiba as well, because Shiba might just, you know, do a nice move towards the upside. I'm already in a long position on another account. Down here I entered all the way down here to long position up here, so it's something like right now like 40% up. The return is best to sell every coin these days. Well, Sasha, are we longing or short? I think we are longing, of course. I don't know if you watched the live today, but you see this is a 5-minute chart breaking a little bit towards downside, but you know it's 5-minute chart, so we are looking for a pullback right now. You see the 50 moving average here on 30 minutes not actually being broken, but on 1 hourly we are above the moving averages right now. If we can actually stay up here, this actually looks nice. It's already had some kind of pullback down there. Let's look at a 4-hourly time frame. Bullish engulfing here, still closing in 1 hour and 42 minutes. If you get a bullish engulfing candle up here, this is just gonna go towards the upside. Over here there's a lot of wicks on the downside up here, showing a lot of buy pressure. Ever since we went up here, we kind of, you know, zigzag towards downside up here with lowering volume, so I'm expecting this to break towards the upside. So definitely looking at the long. What about Chili's? It's hottest. Let's not talk. Love your new looks. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Turn the music down a bit. Yeah, sure. There we go. I think it's around, should be around there somewhere. So I think this is definitely low. But the reason we are actually long is because Sheldon Banter. Sheldon is streaming, guys. Sheldon is streaming live right now, and he's looking for long, some kind of position. I don't know what he's looking for, but you know, he's streaming with his, you know, 4,000, you know, viewers, and we are streaming with, you know, 25 viewers. So, you know, depends. But you know, he started streaming, so I was like, you know, guys, we should definitely do a stream. We should definitely do a trade. Yep, that's okay. There we go. This Bitcoin up here, we have been saying that this might actually break towards the upside. It looks like it's gonna break towards the upside. I'm still expecting it to break towards the upside. You know, I have no reason to believe that, you know, anything else changed over here. Give or take how you wanna draw this, like something like this up here. I still look at this 10-20 moving average up here to give us bounce up here towards the upside. We are actually holding nicely the support up here. We also got a, you know, bottom support down here, somewhere down there, some place maybe, give or take. So this looks like it's getting down to the bottom up here right now, climbing up here, climbing above the resistance, and this is what I'm actually looking for. So I'm looking for any kind of long position right now that actually bounces towards the upside. Looks good, guys, looks good. So since I'm already in one long position up here on sand down here, enter that, you know, at 123 or something like that, we might be looking for something else. We're not gonna look for something that's already pumped big time like Chili's or something like that, so we're not gonna look for anything that's up a lot right now. Let's see, where is Dodge? Dodge is up like 15% up here. We are also not gonna look at Dodge. We're gonna look at something that hasn't pumped yet, so, you know, there will definitely be some kind of, you know, coin that, you know, is at near close to some kind of bottom, right? Some kind of bottom. So like this over here looks very nice. Over here, creating some kind of bottom down here, bottom side. This is on the 4-hourly time frame right now, bouncing a little bit. Let's see how this actually looks on the small time frames. Looks very nice. This looks like actually might be continuation towards upside. Looks very good. You can see here it bounced up above the 10-20 moving average up here, make him move towards downside. So you know, maybe something down here on the small time frames. You can see here consolidating up here after the breakout towards upside. Right now, you know, going in this consolidation phase up here. Something like this might be creating some kind of triangle up here, give or take. There we go, some kind of triangle up here, maybe give or take. And on the bottom of triangle up here, we might actually, you know, just look for a long position or something like that. There was a nice move down here to the bottom down here, a lot of buying pressure, you know, scooped it up, right back down again, holding down here. We don't want this actually to break on the downside. Might break down some, this is a 5-minute chart, so might break down on the short term, but it already went down a little bit up here. Let's see, 30 minutes closing in 7 minutes, so you know, still holding above this 50 moving average. Whether it needs to go all the way back down to the, you know, to the breakout point or not, that depends to be seen. Nice haircut, thanks man, I appreciate it. Did he long? Then I better look for shorts. Who, Sheldon? A little bit unsure. Am I long on AVX already? Entered 27.64, nice. Near same chilies. So I think we're gonna follow near chilies. I don't want to do chilies. Chilies already, you know, pumped way up, you know, and it already had a couple of pullbacks. Shiba, on the other hand, did bounce up on the 4-hourly up here, you know, 41%. Right now I had a pullback down here. This, you know, this pullback towards downside. Can it continue towards upside? That depends to be seen. You can see here on the it already start hitting this 200 moving average. So the question is, will it just continue pumping up here or not? All right, because the pullback already kind of happened. 2-day time frame up here hitting major resistance, but way extended from these, you know, moving averages up here. On the weekly time frame, we had already pulled back down to the something like this. 20 moving average, not actually on the $20 moving average, but you know, more room to grow. On the daily time frame, it's, you know, 10 moving average, bigger resistance up here for Shiba at 22.22 or down here as well. You know, so it has more room to grow, the way I see it, right? So the way I see it, you know, Shiba can actually go on when it comes to monthly or something like, you know, another 40% towards upside. Looks good though, looks good. Apecoin up here, let's go to daily time frame and see what's happening with Apecoin. Apecoin had a big pullback towards downside, right now sitting down here at this 50 moving average on daily. Apecoin looks like it's already, you know, pullback a lot, so you know, whether it needs more pullback, I don't think so. This looks actually quite nice as well, broken downside up here, going down. There are a couple of trend lines up here that needs to be taken into consideration up here. Something like this. Let's go to 4-hour time frame, remove the moving averages for 1 second and see this. Something like this. So it looks like it wants to break up as well. So there is definitely a lot of, I think, good right now options for another move towards the upside. How much this is can actually go down to 4%, it's like 40% downside. It's pretty huge, pretty huge. See, it broke or went up right now consolidating up there. So we're gonna see what's what we take. Let me just shield the stream a little bit. There we go, stream is shielded. So the question is what we're gonna do, right? The question is what we're gonna do. 15 minutes, 5-minute chart up here, going up here towards the top. A little bit, how much downside is this over here? 3-4% downside. We can actually just long it right over here, even though we are not at the bottom or anything like that, because this can just actually break towards the upside. We're gonna lose something like 3% if it breaks on the downside, maybe a little bit more, 5%. 5% on the downside up here. No sound. What you mean no sound? Is there sound? Yeah, there is sound. Sorry, my fault. Yeah, but people always think there is no sound, even if there might be, you know, their side. And Matic also looks nice for continuation towards upside. It, you know, tried to break up here towards upside. It failed that. Right now, sitting on this support up here, holding this 10-20 moving average. So even Matic looks very juicy, very nice up here, breaking this towards the upside. Give or take up here, something like this maybe. Maybe if near comes down down to some kind of 20 moving average here on the 5-minute chart, it might be nice. Let's see how this. We are gonna get a 1 hourly close in 32 minutes. 30 minutes close in 2 minutes. So wow, this music is making me really tired, man. What's up with the music, man? There we go. Let's see if I'm logged in on Bybit. No, not. Okay, give me a second, guys. Verification failed for too many times. Please request new verification code. Dude, why are you doing that? Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, managed to finally log in, but give me a second up here, guys. I'm just gonna... There we go. Let's go to near up here. It hit the target down here at 542 right now at the top. Oh, we are still you know, having, you know, downside at 32%, something like that. Let's see 1 minute chart up here. Maybe time to FOMO in on this a little bit up here. Let's just wait on 1 minute chart. Till I'm not in a trade yet. Hello everyone, I'm Logan Matic. Is still in a trade? Not yet, not yet. Very soon, very soon. Trading your account. Thanks, any good setups for you looking? I just got in. Now we're looking at near. I think near got right now. You know, it already is. You know, this is a 4-hourly time frame, 1 hourly time frame. Still 30 minutes to go, but 30 minutes time frame managed to close just barely above the 50 moving average, and right now bouncing. So I think, you know, it might have a decent chance to bounce. So we're gonna trade this triangle up here on 5 minute time, and hopefully this is, you know, gonna go longer term towards upside up here, because near already had a, you know, a big move towards downside. Right now it's getting ready to do another move. I would say another move above this moving average, at least the resistance up here, something like 10%. You know, shortest move like 4%, something like that, maybe, if it managed to get above the 10 moving average up here. See these 3 weeks on the downside. This is a 4-hourly time frame. A lot of you know, there has been a lot of chances to buy down here at the bottom at 529 or something like that. Let's go to 5 minute time frame up here again. 1 minute. See if we pull back a little bit up here. So we kind of missed right now these two bottoms down here at the bottom right now. If it gets hit, if it hits these moving averages on 1 minute time frame, we just might get them, because right now the downside is you know, 16. It's actually quite low. Maybe we should just FOMO in. Let's see up here. $30 minutes, 15 minutes time frame up here. Always FOMO in. Yeah, always FOMO in. Especially at the top. Yeah, that's the best time to FOMO in, guys. Best time to FOMO is at the top. If you wanna FOMO in, if the FOMO in is your thing, best time to FOMO in at the top. Look at the 4-hourly here. Still not played out, but you know. I think it's getting ready. I think it's getting ready. Oh, look at that. We are just gonna have another, you know, possibility again. There we go. Time to FOMO in at here at 543.7 or something like that. Maybe time to FOMO in. I mean, is there ever a better 10x isolated market? 100%. Right now I can see 1,397. Did it just pump up? Yeah, just pump it up a little bit. Doesn't matter. It went down, but you know, we couldn't. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Why am I pressing the wrong stuff all the time? Just open long. Confirm. There you go. We are in long position on near right now. Entry. Where is our entry right now? Value entry 5437. There we go. That's our entry right now, which is okay. It's in the middle of this you know, triangle up here, so you know, it's it's the thing that we don't want to do. You can short Shiba dodge Ethereum, especially at top. Thanks. can shoot Shiba or Doge already went up like 15%. Don't want to touch that right now. Shiba is already up 5%. Already, you know, it's already kind of bullish, but yeah, you know, Near has been bullish, but it has a big pullback towards downside. I don't know. There are so many coins, guys. There are so many coins. Right now, the way I see it, you know, if it starts breaking this on the downside, we're gonna exit position. That's gonna be like, you know, 2% loss, something like that. You do not enter a trade with all the account. Why not? Why wouldn't I enter a trade with all the accounts? Near alone. Opposition. Thanks to long and fiat. There you go. So right now just wait. You go max 25 on one, and then you can go to 50. You know, I'm not professional, so I don't know how to do that. You know, 100% 10x go because of the scam week, bro. There is no scam week. Scam weeks don't happen today. There is no scam weeks today. And now that we have entered the position and been streaming for like 26 minutes or something like that, it's time for 5 minutes break, guys. Don't drop the price while I'm away. support long anything right now. I'm long AVX hoping for 30x then 30% 10x. Nice. Stay safe, bro. Will do. So you want to enter a trade and you have 130, go 25 first, then when it hits buy zone, retest you buy again, another 25. You won't go in one trade, bro. Won't put no going. I don't know, man. We've been doing one trade 10x, you know, since we started the challenge, so it works for us. If you're gonna get to 1 million, you know, we gotta take some kind of, you know, risks in life. Bitcoin pulled back a little bit up here. Let's see a 1 hourly time frame. Back below the moving average. 16 minutes left to go. 30-minute chart up here, close below the moving averages up here. Where are the support lines? Where are the support lines for Bitcoin? Any divergence on the chart? No divergence. No divergence. No divergence. Yeah, this will go up, I think. Majority of people can buy the dip. They are praying we keep going up. And why don't you get good trades? So you're up now. Yeah, we're up a little bit, I think. We are up 1.59%. 1.59% up. So you know it's not much, but something. This thing over here needs to be removed. So you know it just started. So we're gonna keep on following, seeing how this actually plays out. 5-minute chart up here. Still haven't broken out. I think right now soon might. Do you think stocks are gonna open bullish? We are very close to resistance. Yeah, we are actually at the resistance. So you know I'm a little bit unsure whether we are gonna open bullish or not. Maybe you're waiting for, if stock starts dumping, you'll notice that on Bitcoin as well. You're gonna notice that on Bitcoin as well. When are stocks opening actually? Let's go and see the stocks right now. They're down minus. Let's see 4-hourly time frame up here. 12 o'clock. Yeah, that's the candle. Bullish move climbing up here. There's support lines on the bottom side down here somewhere. There we go. We have divergence on the chart. There is divergence up here. There is slight divergence up here as well. And this is gonna be the divergence. I think it's gonna go towards the upside. Sasha, I'm actually falling in love with AVX. It's the only coin I've been trading for a month now. And it was, am I wrong? Yes, you are wrong. You're falling in love with coin. The rule number one of trading, guys. The rule number one. The rule number one. Where are the rules? Rule number one, trading rules. Rule number one, never chase a trade. No, these are not rules. Where are the rules? Trading rules. No, it's not these trading rules. Not these rules. Wait, where are the other rules? Where are the 10 golden rules of the TF Fans Club? TF Fans Club rules. We want those. Where are those? These are trading rules. We want TF. Here we go. TA Fans Club rules. Rule number one, you do not fall in love with the coin. Rule number two, you do not fall in love with the coin. You know, don't follow one coin. Like there are like 2,000 coins. Like don't fall in love with the coin, man. Okay, rules, boys. Rules, boy. You gotta follow the rules. You gotta follow the rules. Okay, I think. It's either gonna fall down below the support, then we have to wait. There was slight divergence up here, something like a 5-minute chart. Let's see 10-minute chart up here. For whatever reason, there was a bearish divergence up here on the 10-minute chart. So it might already pull back, but you know what, it's gonna pull back all the way down there. I'm a little bit unsure, but right now we are falling below a support. We are still in the triangle, so it's all good so far. Look at the shorts on the stock. Guys, you gotta stop looking at shorts and longs on, you know, if, you know, 60% are long or 60% are short. It's just majority of the people. Do you think really majority of the people know what they're doing when they're playing with stocks? They don't know what they're doing, like, you know. So, you know, looking at where, you know, most people are, up or down, doesn't matter. I have 4x my follower with only trading AVAX. That's the reason for the love lol. I mean, it's a TF fans club rule. It's not a trading rule, so you know there's that. Okay, that's fear. There is no fear. Why? Where is the fear? Where is the fear hitting? 1 hourly bearish engulfing. If you get bearish engulfing, I think we need to get out of the trade though. Because this guy pulled down a little bit more, but you know, even bearish moves. Still inside the. Just look at it. Hit it on the dollar, and bounced. 33 seconds left on the 5-minute chart, so it's nice. Most don't know what they're doing. Fear. Yeah, most don't know what they're doing, so you know, whether people are, you know, 100% short or 100% long, I really don't care about that. Happy trading everyone. Long on Solana. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. It's gonna be interesting, definitely. Two, one. Managed to stay above the moving average. Is nice on the 5-minute chart. 1-minute chart. Bouncing a little bit, but not enough. So you're gonna see up here 1-minute chart. Who cares about 1-minute chart? 30 minutes closing in 10 minutes. 10 minutes closed right now. Above 10 moving average. Hourly still has, you know, 9 minutes left to go. Consolidating up here. You're gonna see that. There we go. Again, trying for the breakout towards the upside. Do we have divergence up here on the 5-minute chart right now? Yeah, we got a slight divergence up here, but it can just pump in, you know, the divergence will be gone. Nobody cares about you when you are down. What's this song? A song, no? Nobody cares when you're down. Cares when you are down. Oh, that's the song. What's the song called? Nobody knows. No, not this one. What's the song called? It's down. I don't know. There is a song that might be fitting right now. Nobody cares when you're down, guys. So when you're losing, nobody cares. When you're winning, everybody cares. When you're down, nobody cares. When you're up, everybody cares. That's how life goes, guys. My sand says it's up 17%, but is it actually up 17%? No, it's up 12%. Yeah, 12.7% up. Is this thing gonna ever break up, man? Is this thing ever gonna break up? Everything else but breakup. So you're gonna see that. Aren't you guys happy that you are here with me? It's like 39 people, 40 people in here. Very cozy, very nice. You can ask questions and everything. But if you go to Sheldon's Trade, YouTube, Sheldon Banter, if you go to Sheldon's live stream, there's like 40,000 people there, man. 5,000 people. 5,200 people watching, and he hasn't done any trade yet. We came live, we did the trade, we're already ahead. He hasn't done any trade yet. Talking about Nasdaq and S&P, Max Payne scenarios. 3,000 bots. I actually got, guys, I actually got 1,000 bots on my Twitter account. I had 3,000, almost 4,000 people, legit people, and then there was a guy that gave me 1,000 bots, and he asked me, he said like, you know, you want to buy, you know, buy followers on YouTube and Twitter, because he gave me 1,000 to show me that he can do it, right? So he gave me 1,000 for, you know, follower bots on Twitter. Right now you can see it's 4,003, but it was at 5,000. He gave me 1,000 followers, and he said like, it costs $6 for 1,000 followers. And I said like, no thank you man, but I appreciate, you know, that you did. So I know the guy now. So if you for any reason you see that I go, you know, from 30k subs on YouTube to, you know, 300k subs, you know what happened. I spend a little bit money. Nah, just kidding. I'm not gonna do that, because these bots doesn't help you that much. This post doesn't help you much. So I said no thanks, and you can see already like it went from 5,000 down to 4,300, because these bots, you know, quickly come, quickly go. They just, you know, change the name of the game, right? So these bots bot come and go. Probably, you know, Twitter removes some of the bots as well and stuff like that, right? But you know, for you guys, if you want bots, you know, it costs $6 for 1,000, you know, 1,000 bots. There we go, breaking out up on the 5-minute time frame up here. Nice, very nice. GG. Gabriel, what are you doing, man? Why are you on the phone? Because your text, I cannot read that, man. Yay, they do, they false another blah, blah. I don't know what you said there, man. True story. Yeah, bro, autocorrect. Your autocorrect is messing up your words. Hail evil. How you doing, man? The divergence, not divergence on the 5-minute chart. Cross up there, nice. 10, 15, 30 minutes. Bouncing, nice. Everything is good, doing smoothly. We entered a little bit high. I mean, we didn't enter down here at the bottoms, you know, and stuff like that, right? Of course, it's a 3% up, but you know, whatever. We take what we can get. 1 hourly closing in 3 minutes. That's gonna be exciting. It's gonna get rejection up here, but you know, we gotta keep the spirits up and hope that, you know, Bitcoin won't, you know, just stump for some weird reason. In Romani. Okay. Not much volume on this move towards upside though. Let's see up here. The bottom support was... Maybe it's creating a rising wedge or a channel. Maybe it's creating a channel. But we are at the bottom of the channel, so if it goes out, you know, we can exit the position, so it's good. 10-20 moving average up here, you know, support, you know, our entry point, support line. You know, we can definitely exit the position if it fails to break up here. There is divergence on 30 minutes. Bitcoin divergence. I don't see 30-minute divergence though. Near. I think it looks fine. Dump hard to clear out all of the longs. I don't think there are a lot of longs. I think there are a lot of shorts though. I think a lot of people are going short. Is there better? No, you always struggle with my name. Level Noster. Level. Oh, what is this? Capital letters. Lowercase. Uppercase. LLVLLO. No. LL. So if you remove these two, level on star, maybe something M monster, level monster. I mean, this is the better again level, you know, because level monster near pumping. What? It's an M, lol. Oh boy, nice. 1%. Our long position, how is it going to be? 8% up. Ooh. Sweet mama. Good. Yeah, the bots do help because they have many views on the clips and people watch because they would want to see if they have that many views. So yeah, it's circle. Now I don't believe in bots. I'm gonna show you a guy. I'm gonna show you actually two guys on YouTube that actually do have bots, and I know this because and let me just find, because I'm subscribed to both of them. Let's see here. What is new? What is his name? Scramble Paul is one. So this guy over here, Scramble Paul, he's at 33.7 subs. He always had 33.7 subs. If you look at the videos, he does get you know, 15 IT 500 views like me as well, and he did get, you know, some views. But he, you know, people don't comment, like, I don't think he got these 33.7k subs, you know, ever. And even during the bull market stuff, you know, it was always at 33.7, always at 33.7. So, you know, nah, I don't believe that much in subs. Target is 7. I don't know what the target is. We should probably, you know, draw the target. Well, it's breaking this one up here though. See daily up here at 20 moving average. 4 hourly 2050. Let's put it down a little bit. Let's put up here. So let's go to 5-minute chart again up here. So the way I see it, maybe it's all the way up there, right? So something like right now, something, it still has, you know, 1.4% all the way like 2.6% up. That's gonna give us a profit of at least like 30 to 40% profit on this move. Some guy creates a bunch of accounts from like India or whatever and gets them to sub to it. Yeah, it's something like that. They got bots, and then they just, you know, type in these you know, codes, and you know, it happens. You know, but this pump was a little bit too fast pump, so you know, some kind of pullback will happen up here, consolidation, and then we're hoping it's going to continue towards the upside. So far so good. So far so good. Nice. See here, when we had the triangle over here, guys, when we had the triangle, right, and we broke this triangle towards the upside, there was no volume. But as soon as we drew this, you know, channel, and you see that we broke the channel towards the upside, we got the volume, right? So volume can actually indicate decent levels or support or resistance levels that needs to be broken. But right now we got, you know, we got a lot of, you know, room to pull back towards downside. So we're gonna see. Chile is up 7.3% though. Which target are you choosing, 556 or 58? I think it's the first one up here, 559. 58, what's at 58? We also got this 1 hourly 50 moving average. Might actually consolidate up here and then go up. So there's that. See here hitting this 49 level on the 4 hourly. But 4 hourly is closing in 56 minutes, so you know, if it can manage to get above the moving average up here, that's gonna be nice. I'm a little bit unsure whether these two are gonna get hit, at least in the time frame we are looking at right now. There's big divergence up here, so this can actually fall back. Maybe we should just take profits up here. But you know, it's already pulling back. But it might be a retest. If it retests this 46th level up here, it's gonna be fine. Pump before the dump. Yeah, maybe it's pump before the dump. Because this closed below 1020 moving average in 1 hourly. Right now 4 hourly is getting this, you know, failure towards the upside. Going down. Yeah, it might be a fake pump though. We're gonna see that. We're gonna see how high we get. Let's watch those small time frames and look for, you know, a lot of people FOMO'd in on the breakout up here though, so you know, it needs to pull back. But we're gonna do it like this. If it goes back inside the channel up here, we might just terminate the trade. You know, reasons. Look in the group. Milana is in the chat. What happens in the group, man? Marco is in Greece. Ooh. Climb is slowly. Marco is doing 17% on the long OGN. Wow. That's nice, man. There we go. Copy. Bitcoin. Bitcoin chart. Milan's posting a Bitcoin chart. This is a 5-minute chart, broke the trend towards downside, but it's a 5-minute chart, so it might pull back a little bit up here, but you know, that doesn't mean that everything is gonna dump down. We're in right now near long, so yeah, it's still 5-minute chart. Yeah, it did break this down, but it's still 5-minute chart, right? It's still 5-minute chart. So let's look at a maybe 30-minute chart or something like that, right? Give or take. It should be somewhere around here. Maybe something like this. So even though it's pulled back a little bit up here, you know, it might have some kind of pullback down there. Maybe in the bigger scheme of things, it's okay. I just look at something like this. Maybe something like this in bigger scheme of things, right? So even though this 5-minute chart up here might pull back a little bit, it does look like it's climbing towards the resistance up here. Trying to break it up, right? And there is support down here, give or take. So it breaks up here, it goes all the way up to, you know, to 5 or something like that. So it can do another, you know, move to, you know, 1-2% move towards upside, which will explode all the altcoins though. What are you long? Near. We are long in near. Fat. Bro, put your stop loss at your entry. No, we don't need stop loss right now. You know, we are sitting at the PC, so we don't need any kind of stop loss. We already know where we're gonna exit the position, so there is that. What is the long entry? 543, the yellow line. Your near trade will hit, bro. Hold it. Hodling it. There we go. 5-5. We're gonna see up here. The 1 minute chart is gonna zigzag up here a little bit, I think, before it actually goes up. Right now it needs to pull back. As long as we don't pull back below the support up here again, that's gonna be fine. I don't think we're gonna get the channel over here. It's too soon, I think. Chili's, yeah, Chili's is exploding, man. Mladen, are you trading Chili's or are you invested in Chili's? That's what I want to know. We never hit our Chili's. Let's see our. So Matic never actually got activated. I don't know if you remember a couple of streams ago, we actually did these buys, right? Levels. This was at KDA also got triggered up here on the pullback, right? So KDA also. Wow, KDA looks nice, guys. Oh my god, I did not even see this. Look at this. Falling wedge. Maybe some kind of falling wedge up here. Okay, that looks nice. Matic never got hit though. We put this line down and you know it never came down there. But Matic looks also nice. Matic is like Dogecoin, like, oh my god, Matic looks nice for a move towards the upside up here. Because look at the bigger time frames up here. See here, it broke up and it went down, retested these levels down here. And right now it's, you know, breaking this towards the upside. Matic looks good, guys. Matic looks good. There's so much stuff that looks good right now. Bitcoin is for people. That's better than trading. I'm investing in Chili's. Yeah. Good. I don't know why you picked Chili's, but you know, hope it works out for you, man. Chili's got, you know, this thing with the, you know, NFTs and stuff, so. Oh my god, I would so love to, you know, go along with Matic. Let's check out Matic again. Matic is a pumper, you know, so that's why I'm saying, you know, I would like to go along with Matic because this already did like 7% up here. Yeah, it broke up, consolidated right now, just pumping. Yeah, look at this, breaking this towards the upside. Nice. %, up. It's good to get some kind of wins. You know, it's good to get some kind of wins. You can vote for your club with Chili's. It has a good use case. Yeah, it's good, it's good. I actually wanted to talk about that. I don't know if you know what my football club is. myfootballclub.com. I don't know if you know what myfootballclub.com is. It was an experiment in 2007 where they got a lot of, I think 50,000 people to invest, and they bought a football club called Ebbsfleet United. And the way they ran the football club, was they had the voting on absolute everything, like who's gonna be the manager, what players are we gonna buy, what we're gonna do with the money, and so forth. Needless to say, you can actually you can see here it was on 13 November 2007, my football club now they agreed in principle to purchase Conference National Ebbsfleet United. So they purchased a team, and they had this voting for everything, right? So they voted on the manager, on the team, on because people thought that if people were actually in charge, supporters were in charge of the club would do a lot better. So they didn't do that well, and the financial problems were huge, and eventually they sold the club. But it started with 50,000 members that want to buy the club, and it went down to 40, 30, 10. At the end of it, it was only 1,000 members left that were actually doing the decisions on the club, and it was supporters. And that's one of the reasons I don't like these governance models where people can vote on what we're gonna do with the coin and stuff like that, because I like that there is a captain on the ship and decides what we're gonna do, and either the captain is good and he knows what's the best for the ship, or it's not gonna work out, right? So and I think Ebbsfleet United is one of these things that actually convinced me that getting the allowing supporters to decide whether we're gonna buy this player or that player, because the people voting in these governance models are only focused on one thing at a time, and you gotta have somebody that has a bigger, broader vision for the club. Chili's has nothing to do none of that stuff. The voting in Chile is a little bit different, but I just want to make a point that out of these governance models that a lot of coins do have. Happy haircut, looking good. Thanks, booty killers. So I don't believe in any kind of governance models. I believe in captain on the sheet. Yeah, I know Chile is different. I know what kind of voting we are talking about. So please look at dot chart, Sherman. Nice chart. Neutral making market bullish again. Yeah, we're gonna let it grow right now. Voila. Okay, since you know the word. Yeah, this is an old channel, but you can see here we are sitting on the bottom of the channel. And this bottom of the channel right now is being broken towards the upside, so everything is going up. It's not just Socrates' statement of who you would want to vote to captain the ship. What did Socrates say about that? This vote captain ship. Ship of state. The ship is an ancient and often cited metaphor, famously expounded by Plato in the Republic. Like the governance of a city-state and a command of a vessel, Plato explains the establishment for ultimately argues that the only people fit to be the captain of the ship are a philosopher, king's benevolent men with absolute power who have access to the form of the good. The origin that can be traced back to the left. Yeah, I'm a little bit unsure what he's talking about, but if he's talking about what kind of people should be the captain, that's a little bit different. I just think that there should not be any kind of, democracy on the ship. There should be a guy leading the ship, and I think the same thing goes for the coins. That in coins or any kind of company, you don't want Tesla, to be, decided. But hey guys, let's let all the workers vote on what we're gonna do next. Like there has to be a guy with a vision to decide what we're gonna do next. Near is doing good so far. Let's look at a little bit here. My Sandlong also doing fine. Saying you would rather want captains voting rather than passengers. Okay, yeah, that's good. My God, Walmart had 152 billion revenue in second quarter. That means in 1 year they have 600 billion in revenue. Imagine that. Walmart has 600 billion in revenue in 1 year. That means over 2 years they got 1.4 trillion in revenue. Imagine that. Read his quote, bro. Quote. There is the ship owner larger and stronger than everyone on the ship, but somewhat tough and rather short-sighted with a knowledge of sailing to match his eyesight. The sailors are querulent among themselves over captaincy of the ship, each one thinking that he ought to be the captain, though he has never learned the skill. On top of which they say it can't be taught. In fact, they are prepared to cut to pieces anyone who says it can. They beg him, the ship owner, and do everything they can to do to make him hand over the tiles to them. Sometimes if other people can pursue him and they can't, they kill those others or throw them overboard. Then they immobilize the worthy ship owner with drugs or drinks or by some other means and take control of the ship, helping themselves to what it is carrying. Drinking and feasting, they sail it in the way you expect people like that to sail. If someone is good at finding them ways of pursuing or compelling the ship owner to let them take the control, they call him the real seaman, a real captain, and say if someone is good at finding them ways of pursuing and compelling the ship owner to let them take the control, call him the real seaman, a real captain, and say he really knows about ships. I don't get it. What is this census? Widespread dissent. Democracy generates dissensus. Self-rule generates overconfidence in each of us. The members of the demos lack distinctive political expertise. The people deny the very existence of distinctive political expertise. Yeah, so basically democracy is not good. Not on the ship, not anywhere. Was Voltaire who said, life's a shipwreck, we must not forget to sing in the lifeboats. No clue. I'm not big on philosophy. Took Professor I 30 a long life. Nice. Plato Socrates compares the population at large to a strong but nearsighted ship owner whose knowledge of seafaring is lacking. Ah, okay. The quarreling sailors are demagogues and politicians, and the ship's navigator, a stargazer, is a philosopher. Oh no, we forgot to take profits, guys. We forgot to take the profits. It's 1 minute chart, 1 minute chart. Uh, 30 minutes closing in 8 minutes, 10 minutes closed like 2 minutes ago. Let's see some moving averages up here on the chart. Yeah, it went up a little bit too fast, needs to consolidate. Like, we cannot expect like 15% move like Dogecoin did, unfortunately. Dogecoin is down a little bit. I forgot, guys, I gotta go soon, so we're gonna, let me see up here. I gotta go soon, so you know, we're gonna how much profits is this right now? 8%, 5%, yeah, sure. Yeah, let's wait a little bit more, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. And while we try to figure that out, Oh, he stopped live trade. Did he do any trades? Then stop being busy. Okay, I'm late. You've been streaming for an hour and I just got the notifications. Yeah, notifications are not on the dollar, unfortunately. YouTube doesn't want to shield the crypto channels just yet. YouTube is waiting until we are at 60k again or 100k, and then they're gonna shield the channels and get the notifications on time to everybody. But until then, there is we need to wait. Let's take 5 minutes break while this plays out a little bit. Ways of the Jedi. So basically what we have here in the West. Another one is up here. 5 minute time frame. Still above the support up here. 1 hourly close below, try to go up, fails. This looks very bad. I gotta go, guys, I gotta go, and on the support up here, dump. Yeah, I'm gonna close all my positions right now, and you know, we're gonna do another trade another time. So this is gonna be something like, how much we are in profit right now? Let's see, when is the 5-minute closing? In 1 minute and 33 seconds. Only 6% profits, but you know, could have been 10, could have been 10. Profits are profits, doesn't matter. Have a blessed day, brother. Yeah, you too, man. Market close, 100% close. Okay, 82. I gotta go, so I cannot do this right now. I cannot follow the chart. Maybe we should just put a stop loss in some profit, because 6% is a little, you know, yeah. Better than $6. Yeah, better than $6. How many bucks is it? 80 bucks. 80 bucks is okay. 5% below it. I'm a little bit unsure whether it's gonna, you know, just bounce or whatever it's gonna do. Yeah, it just closed, doesn't matter. 5% is okay, 100% confirmed close. Okay, 5% win, doesn't matter. I didn't have that much time. I actually want just the stream because Sheldon was actually live, and I want to, you know, follow, see what he's gonna do, and maybe even do a trade with him, whatever. But you know, that kind of failed. So let's update the score sheet. Close and take profit. Yeah, 5% is 5%, doesn't matter. You know, we you know, where is it? Up here. There we go. So we're gonna update this up here. So last time we actually traded was, you know, over 2 weeks ago. So we need definitely to trade more. But you know, it's been summer. It's been summer, and it's been summer, and I've been busy with the kids and stuff like that. 1439. So you know, wasn't that actually motivated much, but right now, you know, there's gonna be a lot more time because kids are in the school and stuff like that. So you had 1439 right now, 344% still up. So it's all good, guys, it's all good, and we're gonna continue following that. Shannon longed, Ada and Sol. Oh, okay, I should definitely close position when he longed. Wait, call to a low profit, but a motivation for more wins. Yeah, exactly. You know, and maybe we're gonna have a little bit more, you know, time. Maybe even tonight. There might be even trade tonight, guys. If I come home early, depends when I can get home. You know, so there is that. It's nice. We're gonna see what Bitcoin is gonna do. 4-hourly Bitcoin still trying to get above this 50 MA up here. Try it up here, but if it fails, it might go a little bit low. We're gonna see that. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by, and hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you maybe later today. Okay. Also, join KuCoin, guys. You don't have a lot of time to join KuCoin. See you around, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.